G'day guys, my name is David from Trico Products, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do the fitments for the Trico Force beam blades, which are these things here. Now, the beam blades were originally designed more for the curved windscreen, especially for the later model vehicles, as well as the Euro type vehicles that's currently in the marketplace. Now, the best thing about the Trico Force blades is with only 12 part numbers, you've got coverage up to 98% of the vehicles out there in the current market. So let's start off with the 5 different arm types, and I'll show you how the fitments actually go on and how easy it is to actually use. So with the hook type arm like this here, it's normally called a J hook. You simply line up the adapter, pull back until it clicks into place. To release, you've got a lever down the bottom here, which you pull down and push forward until this comes off. Now, any of the other arm types that you may come across, they're called the specialty arm types. You'll need to change the clips to the B and C adapter. So the way you have to do that is by releasing the tab here and putting the BC tab on. The easiest way I personally find to do this is by putting my 2 index fingers up the top here on those 2 levers and pulling down towards myself until that comes off. Attach the BC adapter, push down until it clicks into place. Now you're able to do the push button arm type like this here. Now the common mistake that people make is there's actually a narrow version of the push button arm type, and then there's the wide version. So let me show you how to do the wide version first. All you need to do is pinch the 2 ends in and slide from the back until it clicks into place. To release, you push the button up the top here and you pull down. If I tried to do the same with the narrow arm type, I wouldn't be able to do it because the C clip over here is as wide as pretty much the arm type that you've got on the narrow arm type. I need to remove that C clip before I can get the narrow arm type on. The way to do that is you've got a lever up the top here, okay, where the arrow is pointing. You pull that lever back and push the C clip up until that comes off, and now you're ready to slide the narrow arm type on. Okay, so same way as the wide arm type, you slide that on. To release, you push the button and pull down. The pinch type arm types are actually very popular, especially on the VE, VF Commodores. And the way to install this one, you've got to make sure that the C clip is off first of all. Line up the back, so you've got the 2 hooks over here. You have to line that up at the back first and then push down the front until it clicks into place. To release, you've got the lever up the top, which you pull back. That releases the arm type. The other common arm type is the sliding pins, which comes on a lot of BMWs and Mercedes. The way to install one of these ones here is you simply slide on. You've got a hole that's actually located on the BC clip or the adapter. Simply push in and put down, and it stays like that on the windscreen. It doesn't snap into place or anything. The gravity actually holds the arm type in place. So that's the wide arm slide pin, and you've also got the narrow one, which is pretty much the same thing, same application. You slide it through the hole, push it down, and it locks into place. You can have the C clip on there if you want, but it's optional. All right, thank you very much, guys. Hopefully that's taught you how to do the installation for the Trico Force. Everything that I've shown you here is actually available also on our website, so go to tricoproducts.com.au.